Hey guys, hope you are doing good. My name is Arman and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we're gonna look at some legal terms and we're gonna translate that words into the SMS. Previously also I have made the video on this topic and many people have watched so far. If you haven't watched those videos, then please go and watch that video in my channel. Just go to the description box. There you will find the link of the SMS for edges. So there, click there and you will find that videos in that playlist. Okay, so do find that and watch those video. And apart from that, if you are new, please subscribe, share, like this video, and any queries comment down below. Okay, so guys, in this video, whatever the words I am going to translate, those words I have got through emails. One of my viewer, he's a chief judicial magistrate of Golaghat district court, so he actually sent me a list of the words and he wanted me to translate that word into the SMS. So that's why I am going to translate those words, and that will be beneficial for you. And apart from that, apart from these words, if you still want some more other words, then like him, you can also email me. Please find my email ID in the description box. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's video. So guys, the first word we have arrest. Okay, arrest is a very common word. Okay, very common word, but many people, I think that many people doesn't know the the Assamese term of it. So the arrest will be atok. Okay, atok kor. Okay, so it will be atok kor. Generally the term arrest means only atok. Okay, atok kora. Suppose if a person A is arrested by the police, so in Assamese if we say that, it will be like a person mane A number manujon to arrest korise arokhiye, thik ase, police arokhi. Okay, so tenekua hobo. So arrest, the first word is arrest to hobo atok kor. Okay, then next to hoise amar cognizance. So cognizance to hobo অসমীয়াত হ'ব সংজ্ঞান. ওকে, संज्ञान. ओके, हिंदी में इसको संज्ञान बोलते हैं. ठीक है, संज्ञान. ठीक है, हिंदी में इसको संज्ञान बोलते हैं और অসমীয়াত মানে ইয়াক সংজ্ঞান কোৱা হয়. অলৰাইট, সো সেকেন্ড ওয়ার্ড ইজ কগনিজেন্স. নেক্সট ইজ অবজেকশন. It is really common word, by the way. I think everyone knows the meaning of the Assamese meaning of this word. So objection will be like abhijuk. Onujug and lalis, etc. Okay, so objection actually it depends. Okay, so the objection, it is English term. So objection actually has got many meanings in Assamese. Okay, like it can be either abhijog hobo pare, apotti, ujor, gusor, nalis, onujog, lalis, etc. Okay, so depending on the circumstances, the certain word will be used. Okay, then comes next word is repugnant. Repugnant. So repugnant will be pratikul. Okay, it will be pratikul. Repugnant hobo pratikul. Then preamble. In every act we find preamble generally. Okay, so our constitution has got preamble. So preamble to hobo prastavana. So it will be prastavana in Hindi also. Okay, preamble. So next word, qualification. Okay, so qualification will be yogyata, arhata, or gun. Okay, anything. Okay, yogyata, arhata, or gun, qualification do. Next to is our sanction. Okay, so sanction actually, sanction has got two meaning. Okay, in English also, if we see the general meaning, plain meaning of the word sanction, that means to grant something, okay, to allow something, that is sanction. Suppose we can see that, like, you know, certain sum of money has been sanctioned by the government for the, you know, for flood relief or flood victims, so that is also a sanction, okay. And another meaning is that a punishment kind of, okay. So in Assamese also it has got two meaning, okay. So sanction, first it will be pratibandhakata. Pratibandhakata, okay. So first it is has pratibandhakata, it, which means, like, you know, prohibit something, right? Prohibition kind of, okay. Pratibandhakata. Next, and another like hanmati, which means like to allowing something, okay. And anugya, this is also another form of hanmati only. Then Anumodan, okay. So these are all like the meaning of the, like, if we translate the sanction, it will be any one of them, okay. Like depending on the circumstances and situation, it will, the word will be, okay. Suppose if it is about the punishment, then it will be pratibandhakata, ठीक है. And if it is about, like, you know, permitting something, then it will be hanmati, anugya, or anumodan, anything, okay. So then next word, offense. Offense is very common. Offense, it will be aparadh. Offense is aparadh, okay. Then next word is superintendent, yes. Superintendent, okay. So superintendent will be adhikyak. Adhikyak, not adhikya, okay. It's adhikyak, or it will be tadarak. Daityabahi, tadarak, daityabahi, bikhoya, tadarak, daityabahi, bikhoya. और ऊर्ध्वतन कार्यनिर्वाहक, okay. So it will be like superintendent can be any one of them, okay. Adhikyak, adhyakya nohoy de, adhikyak, tadarak, daityabahi bikhoya, or ऊर्ध्वतन कार्यनिर्वाहक, okay. So any one of them, okay. Then next, status quo. This is really important, okay. Like this kind of, this word may you know, there is a probability of coming this question, okay. So status quo to hobo sthitavastha, okay. Sthitavastha, okay. Sthitavastha ba prasalita avastha, okay. So any one of them, okay, depending on the circumstances, sthita avastha hobo either, or it will be prasalita avastha, okay, status quo. Then another also solita thoka, it will be solita thoka also, okay. It can be solita thoka also. Then next as a conciliation, arbitration, conciliation. So conciliation will be apus kora, okay. Apus kor kora nohoy, apus kor ba apus or homayanti, okay. So any one of them, apus kor, apos ya phir homayanti, okay. Conciliation or meaning hoise, ठीक है. Then next is interim stay, I mean no status quo ante bellum. This is also important. So the status quo antebellum, okay, it will be like it will be okay, so it will be Juddha Purvavastha, okay, like the condition of the situation, like the situation before war, okay, like whatever the situation it was before the war, so that should be maintained. So like status quo antebellum, it means Juddha Purvavastha, okay, Juddha Purvavastha means prior to the Juddha, means prior to the war, okay. Then next is interim stay. Interim stay. So interim stay, it will be অন্তর্বর্তীকালীন স্থগিতকরণ। So okay, so interim stay, it will be অন্তর্বর্তীকালীন স্থগিতকরণ, okay, স্থগিতকরণ, okay, last word is last alphabet is no, okay, মূর্ধন্য ন, so অন্তর্বর্তীকালীন স্থগিতকরণ, okay, so interim stay. Now we're gonna see another word. Returning officer, this is really important, okay, returning officer, okay, the returning officer means returning officer, like it will be in English Assamese নির্বাচন অধিকারী, okay, নির্বাচন অধিকারী, নির্বাচন অধিকারী, okay, so we know it, what is nirbachan, I mean the election officer, okay, like returning officer, you can say the election officer, okay. So nirbachan adhikari, you know, in Assamese it will be, okay. So next word is appendix. I'm really thankful to the sir who has sent me this email, that because of him only I just go through all this word, and I also got to know so many things. So sir, thank you so much for mailing me. So next word is appendix. So appendix will be anubandhan, okay, anubandhan, or it will be porihista, any one of them, okay, anubandhan or porihista. So the next word is ad hoc. Ad hoc, this is important, very important for the exam point of view also. So ad hoc will be tadartha, okay, tadartha. Then comes provident fund. Provident fund. So the provident fund will be bhavishya nidhi, okay. So the next word is typewriter. So sir, you have asked me about the typewriter. So since the typewriter is a like noun, okay, so noun doesn't change, no matter whatever the language you write, noun will remain the same. So typewriter is a noun, so that's why it will remain same, okay. Like in Assamese also it will be typewriter only, just like keyboard, okay, just like keyboard, mobile, so it will be like keyboard only. In Assamese also the keyboard will remain a keyboard, okay. All right, so the next word, so the next word is legal remembrance. Legal remembrance, okay. So it will be in SMS বিধিগত অভিজ্ঞান, okay? বিধিগত অভিজ্ঞান, okay, it's bha, okay? So legal remembrance will be বিধিগত অভিজ্ঞান, okay? So the next word is time barred. Time barred, okay? So it will be either কাল বাধিত, it will be either কাল বাধিত or it will be তমাদি দুখ, okay? Any one of them, okay? Tomadi dukh, it will be tomadi dukh also, it will be kal badito, okay? So both the words are correct, okay? Then comes supplementary grant. Supplementary grant, so it will be অনুপূরক और परिपूरक अनुदान, okay? It's अनुपूरक और परिपूरक अनुदान, supplementary grant, okay? The next word is, I have added some words from my side also. The another word is warrant, arrest warrant, okay? So warrant will be परवाना, okay? परवाना और अधिपत्र और अधिपत्र, okay? परवाना और अधिपत्र, warrant means परवाना और अधिपत्र, any one of them, okay? Then comes summons. This is also important, okay? Warrant, arrest, summons, all this. Summons, it will be आदेश, or it will be फरमान, or it will be निर्देश, it will be निर्देश also, okay? So yeah, these are the words. Legal remembrance, विधिगत अभिज्ञान, then comes time barred, काल बाधित या फिर तमादी दोष, then comes supplementary grant, it will be परिपूरक बा अनुपूरक बा परिपूरक अनुदान, then comes warrant, it will be पुरवाना और अधिपत्र, then summons will be आदेश, फरमान और निर्देश, okay? Any one of them. Next word is bill, it will be विधेयक, okay? It will be विधेयक. And ordinance, this is also important, okay? Ordinance will be अध्यादेश, and decree will be अधिघोषणा, और अध्यादेश, okay? Like it means अध्यादेश also means ordinance or decree, okay? And next, judgment will be राय और दंडादेश और শাস্তি দিবলৈ কৰা আদেশ, okay? শাস্তি দিবলৈ কৰা আদেশ. Then comes impounding of the documents, right? Attachment, impound. So impound will be বাজেয়াপ্ত করা, বাজেয়াপ্ত কর, ওকে, or জব্দ করা, জব্দ করা, okay. So next word is dispute. Dispute, so dispute will be বাদানুবাদ, বাদানুবাদ, okay. Then prejudice, so I will write it down here, prejudice, prejudice, so the prejudice will be পক্ষপাতিত্ব, okay. Okay, so prejudice is পক্ষপাতিত্ব, okay. So guys, bill is বিধেয়ক, prejudice পক্ষপাতিত্ব, then ordinance, ordinance to অধ্যাদেশ, then decree অধিসূচনা বা অধ্যাদেশ only, then judgment রায়, দণ্ডাদেশ या फिर শাস্তি দিবলৈ কৰা আদেশ, then impound, impound হ'ব লাইক বাজেয়াপ্ত কৰ or জব্দ কৰ, তাৰপিছত dispute বাদানুবাদ, okay. Alright everyone, these are the list of the words that I have got through email. I really wanted to thank you sir for sending me this mail, and because of you I also got to learn, you know, these translations. So thank you so much, and thank you so much everyone who are watching this video. And if you have any queries, questions, doubt, you can comment down below. And apart from that, if you want few other words which need to be, you know, translated into Assamese, then you can mail me. Please find my email ID in the description box, okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.